Hello, my name is Szandria. I stay in New Zealand and my channel is about the sewing success channel. We are going to be doing lots of tutorials for beginners and just anybody loving sewing, and I will do a lot of redesigning, refashioning of clothes that you have, thrift clothes, fabrics that just lying around there, and we're going to do new designs for yourself, like dresses and skirts, clothes for the children and for the home. So please check in next week where I will be starting with my videos. Thank you for watching, and please remember to subscribe, like, and click the notification bell so that you know when I will be posting again. Thank you, and God bless you.